Imagine a crimson horizon, a sky dotted with unfamiliar constellations, and a landscape unlike any other. This isn't the setting of a science fiction novel, but the Martian landscape that could be humanity's next frontier. Mars, our tantalizing neighbor in the solar system, has long been the subject of curiosity and exploration. Its similarities with Earth have sparked our imagination, leading to a question: could we make Mars our second home? Moving to Mars isn't as simple as packing up a spaceship and lifting off. It's a task that requires careful planning, advanced technology, and an enormous amount of resources. The first step in this process is to better understand Mars itself. The Mars rovers and satellites have been doing a fantastic job, but there's still so much to learn. We need to study the Martian climate, geology, and potential resources in greater detail. Only then can we begin to formulate a plan for survival. Next, we have to tackle the challenge of getting there. Currently, a trip to Mars takes about 9 months. A daunting journey that's fraught with potential dangers, from solar radiation to mental health issues. We need to develop spacecraft that are faster, safer, and more efficient. Once we arrive on Mars, the real work begins. Despite its similarities with Earth, Mars is a harsh and unforgiving environment. It's incredibly cold, its air is thin and mostly carbon dioxide, and its soil is unsuitable for growing crops. To survive, we'll need to build habitats that can protect us from the Martian elements. These habitats will need to be self-sustaining, with systems for recycling water and air and for growing food. We'll also need to find a way to use the resources that are available on Mars. The ability to live off the land will be crucial for a long-term presence on the red planet. For example, there's evidence that there's water ice beneath the Martian surface. If we can extract this water, it could be used for drinking, growing food, and even making rocket fuel for the journey home. In conclusion, making Mars our second home is a monumental task. It requires us to push the boundaries of our knowledge and technology. It's a journey filled with challenges, but also with incredible opportunities. We're at the beginning of this journey. There's a long road ahead, but with every step we're getting closer to turning the dream of living on Mars into a reality. Remember, it's not just about surviving on Mars, but thriving. It's about creating a new home for humanity, a place where we can continue to grow, explore, and dream. Because at the end of the day, that's what it means to be human, to look up at the stars and wonder, what's next?